Hey guys, today is gonna be the quickest recipe ever. We are going to make a veg Frankie. Quick, easy, and tasty. I have steamed some medium-sized potatoes in a steamer. You can also cook them in the electric cooker or pressure cooker. Make sure they are fully cooked and fork tender. Is the medium-sized carrot. You can also grate it, however we like it this way. So I have just sliced them up. Same way I have grated the little bit of cabbage. You can also add some more veggies like peas and tomatoes and other vegetables or capsicum. Then I have chopped onions, green chilies and minced garlic and little bit of lemon for that tangy taste, black pepper powder and chaat masala. Now this is the time where we heat up a pan or a kadhai which is probably older than me. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of oil or you can add more if you like, your choice. But I'm just adding 2 tablespoons and I think that is also too much, so I'm gonna reduce it a little bit. Keep the medium flame and add your minced garlic, green chilies, and I always put little bit of salt whenever I add the chilies into the oil. Add salt helps reducing the spice level a bit and also gives that nice taste and crunch to the chili. As you can see, the chili is nicely fried, so we are going to add the onions now. Now adding chopped onions. Saute the onions till golden brown. Once you see that golden brown color on onions, this is the time to add our smashed potatoes. Mix it well. This is the time to add the spices. I'm gonna add turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder. You can also use the fresh leafy coriander. I just forgot that to bring it, so I'm just using the coriander powder. Then you can add some chaat masala. We like it. It is optional, and also a splash of lemon. And mix it well again, and let's keep it on medium flame for 10 to 15 seconds. And meanwhile, let's make our sauce. For sauce making, take a bowl, add mayonnaise, red chili sauce, tomato ketchup, black pepper powder, and mix. Give it a good mix. Now this is going to be our final step. Heat up a flat pan, add little bit of butter, put your chapatis on the pan. Now the chapatis are made beforehand, however you can also use the leftover chapatis. Spread the sauce we made evenly on the chapati. Now place the potato stuffing on the chapati from one end to another, and let's top it up with some sliced carrots and grated cabbage and onions. I forgot the cheese, but you can also add some cheese on the top of these veggies. And now roll it up tightly. Gently flip a Frankie couple of times till it's evenly crisp, and then serve it. Now that our Frankie is ready, eat it immediately with yogurt or sauce for that best taste and texture. Thank you.